Hello everyone. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma and today I am back with another kind of letter, job application for classes 11 and 12. Writing a letter to apply for a job is one of the most important aspects of letter writing. The essential elements of a job application may brighten up the chances of being selected. Suppose you are going to apply for a job, then you will need a covering letter that is also known as job application. This crucial art can be mastered by formulating the letter with certain standards. It is written to the HR manager. It is formally written to the HR manager. A kind of cover letter. It is a kind of cover letter usually attached with an enclosure of the writer's resume. The cover letter should be so well formulated that it stimulates the employer to consider you for the position. So it must be well formulated. Let's see how to write an effective letter of inquiry. As usual, letters should be concise. The very first thing that we have, letters should be concise, short, and up to the point. Next one, courteous. You must be polite in your language. Positive. You must write your letter in positive way, hoping a positive response from the person you are writing, from the firm you are writing, from the company you are writing. Confident in tone. Your words must show your confidence. Now, the next thing that is nearly common to all the formal letters, but there will be a little bit change here in this kind of letter. There we'll add a resume. Format, first of all, sender's address. We have already discussed about it. Sender's address. Sender's address is the address who is writing the letter. Then leave a line, date format I have told you. Then leave a line, receiver's address, whom you are writing to. The manager, the general manager, the HR manager, the sales manager. Then address, leave a line. Then subject, applying for the post of, application for the post of, whatever it is. Once again, leave a line, salutation, sir or madam. Then just below it, start writing body of letter. In this kind of letter, you have to mention resume as well. So do not cross the limit, that is 120 to 150 words. Then complimentary closing, you all know very well. Yours truly, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, but do not put apostrophe in yours. Just below it, mention enclosure. And in your enclosure, what is you are going to enclose? What is the thing you are going to enclose? Your enclosure is resume or biodata. You can write any resume or biodata. Just below it, write in block letters resume. In your resume, very first thing will be personal information, then academic qualifications. First thing will be personal information, second academic qualifications, then work experience, your strength, references. You have to mention at least two references of two persons whom they will contact, whom you are writing the letter, they will contact for your character or any such thing. Now we have a question. Write an application for the post of accountant to the general sales manager, Excellent Chemicals Limited, Balaji Towers Building, Gomti Nagar, Lucknow. Such questions can be asked. You have seen the advertisement in the Times of India. You are Arun or Aruna Khanna, living at B65 Khanna Colony, Charbagh, Lucknow. So this is your question. Now Let's see the answer. How will you write the answer? First, I have told you, very first thing you have to mention address of the writer, sender's address, as it is mentioned in the question. What is your address? B65 Khanna Colony, Charbagh, Lucknow. Leave a line. You can see here leaving a line. Date. On the date you are writing the letter May 25, as it is May 25 today, 2020. Then once again leave a line. Whom you are writing to? General Sales Manager. Address Excellent Chemicals Limited, Balaji Towers, Building, Gomti Nagar, Lucknow. Subject, after leaving a line, subject, application for the post of accountant. What is your subject? Application for the post of accountant. Always remember, don't cross the limit of 4 to 5 words. Sir, after leaving a line, sir. With reference to your advertisement, the very first line must start like that. With reference to your advertisement in the Times of India dated 20th May 2020, for the post you are writing on 25 and you have seen the advertisement on 20th. For the post of accountant, I want to offer myself as a candidate for the same. Change the paragraph. Then start explaining about yourself in brief sentences. I passed my MCOM in the year 2012 and I am working in the accountants department of a reputed company for 5 years after that. If given a chance, I shall work sincerely to come up to your expectations. I am enclosing here with my detailed resume for your kind perusal, for your kind reference. With kind regards, yours sincerely, leaving a line, yours sincerely, Arun. Just below it, enclosure. What is your enclosure? Resume. Just below it in block letters, right? Resume. Then your personal information. What will you mention in your personal information? First of all, name. What is your name? Arun Khanna. Father's name? Amit Khanna. Address that is given in the question. Marital status. What is your marital status? Married or unmarried, whatever it may be. Then academic qualifications. You can make a table like that I have made. First, exam, board or college, year and percentage. Exam, start from high school. Board, CBSC, year 2005. Percentage, 75. You can choose any. Senior secondary, CBSC 2007. BCom, Ramjas College, Delhi 2010. MCom, Lucknow University 2012. In this way, you have to prepare a table or a list. Just below it, you will mention your working experience, how experienced you are. Whenever you want a job, people ask you your experience, how experienced person you are. So mention your experience here. Presently working as accountant with Alpha Technologies Limited, Charbagh, Lucknow. Here you will mention the name of the firm you are presently working with. Languages known, you can mention whatever languages you know, English, Hindi. Strength, good time management. References, very important. And the end of the letter. References, at least you have to mention two references. First one, R. Purohit, HOD, Commerce Department, Ramjas College, University of Delhi, from where you have studied. Next, Mr. P.S. Dalmia, Director, Alpha Technologies Limited, Charbagh, where you are presently working. So, in this way, you have to write a covering letter or job application.